heard that this is your first VR experience. How exciting! In that case, I'll be happy to teach you the basics of navigating using the VR controller. Let's start with how to look around the VR environment. You can do this by using the thumbstick to look left and right. Go ahead and try it out. Great! Now, in order to interact with objects around us, we would need to use the trigger button on your controllers. Go ahead and grab the hammer in front of you. Awesome! You can put that hammer away now, before you hurt somebody. You can also make a pointer finger gesture by pressing the grip button. Go ahead and try it out. Nice work! This gesture is useful for clicking buttons. The last thing we will teach you today is how to move around. As we are in an immersive VR experience, we can take advantage of teleporting. In order to teleport, push forward the thumbstick to the designated area over there. Brilliant job! Now you know how to navigate around. You are ready to start the training experience. I'll pass you over to Rob to show you around the factory. Have fun!
Welcome to the WEAVR Factory Simulation. My name is Rob, and I'm thrilled to be your guide today. Get ready to experience a virtual reality journey through the factory and get a sneak peek of what WEAVR is capable of. Our goal today is to assemble the WEAVR Mobile, and I'll be with you every step of the way. Are you ready? Let's begin. We'll start at the control panel, where we'll test out some of WEAVR's capabilities. Follow me and please teleport to the designated area. Our first task is to assemble the missing wheel. You can do this by pushing the button on the right. And then twisting the switch. Great job! In this step, we use the outline, push button and switch features on WEAVR Creator to provide an intuitive user experience when interacting with objects. Now, let's move on to attaching the bolts to the tire. Click on the highlighted box of bolts and then follow me to the car. Place the bolts on the wheel by clicking on the holographic placeholders. This is an example of an executable action in WEAVR Creator, which allows you to perform multiple actions when a game object is clicked. Next up, we need to screw in the bolts with our impact wrench. Oh dear, it seems like our delivery drone is running late. Perhaps we could try to give him a little nudge. On the tool cabinet, grab and throw the sphere at the pile of boxes in front of us. Perhaps this would awaken our little drone friend. Great throw! Ah, and there he is. Mr. Drone, could you kindly bring us an impact wrench? Thank you. As you may have noticed, WEAVR Creator also allows grabbing virtual objects and interacting with them through Unity's physics system. Now that we have our tool, please grab it and follow me. With the tool you are grabbing, you can automatically screw the bolts in by touching its tip to the bolts on the tire. This uses WEAVR Creator's object in area action, where an action is executed when two virtual objects collide. Like what we just saw earlier when you threw the sphere to the box. Now, let's head back to the control panel and move the car to the next station. Oh, and don't forget to drop off the drill on the tool cabinet on your way there. Simply press the highlighted button to execute this action. It's time for us to head to the next station. Follow me. On the table in front of you, pick up the tablet. With your other hand, press the purple button labeled front left to activate the robot and attach the missing car door. Perfect. Last but not least, we'll go to the final station for interior inspection. You can drop off the tablet on the table and follow me. On the table in front of us, pick up the key card. Great! Now, using the key card, tap it onto the highlighted area to unlock the car door. Splendid! Now grab the car door and swing it open. Well done! This is an example of WEAVR Creator's door component, which allows you to use the door models to act and behave as a door should. Now for inspection. Have a look at the car's interior until the loading time completes. Excellent! That was an example of WEAVR Creator's visual inspection action, which allows you to trigger actions based on what the user is looking at. Congratulations! You've completed the short tour of the WEAVR factory. I hope you've managed to learn a few of the many capabilities of WEAVR today. If you are curious about the different applications of WEAVR in different industries, feel free to ask our team for another demo. Otherwise, feel free to roam around the factory and explore the environment as you wish. See you next time, and I hope you have a wonderful day.